everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we're diving into a powerful AI video generation tool called Hailuo 02. If you're looking for a fast, creative, and flexible way to turn ideas into stunning videos, this tool might just be what you need. Let's see what it can do. First, let's take a look at what Hailuo 02 can generate. From cinematic landscape animations to high-concept character scenes, Hailuo 02 delivers visuals with incredible quality and detail. Whether you're creating for social media, storytelling, or professional projects, the results are truly impressive. Now let's walk through how to use Hailuo 02. It provides two main features, text to video and image to video, along with a powerful reference to video option that helps you maintain consistent characters across your scenes. Without hesitation, sit back, relax, and let's get started. Let's start with image to video. First, upload your image. Once that's done, enter a prompt to guide the animation. If you're not sure what to write, Hailuo 02 offers preset prompts. Just click the preset icon to get inspired. You also have access to camera movement controls for added creativity. In character shots, you can choose preset motions like right circle or left circle. For more control, switch to the free selection tab to access options like zoom in, zoom out, tilt up, and tilt down. Select one, or leave it blank if you prefer. Once everything is set, click Submit and let Haulou AI work its magic. Let's take a look at the final result. Let us move to text to video. This is where the magic really happens. Simply type a description of the scene you want. You can input a prompt like car racing through a city with a tracking shot that transitions into a drone view. You can also add camera control options to customize the movement to your liking. Let's take a look at the final result. It shows a car driving through the city, starting with a tracking shot that transitions into a drone view. You can tweak the style, resolution, and duration too. It's great for storytelling, content creation, or testing out visual ideas before full production. And since you're guiding the video with words, there's no need for any visual input to start. Let us move on to subject reference. This feature helps you maintain character consistency across different scenes. Start by selecting and uploading a reference image of the character you want to use. Then enter your prompt. For example, you might describe an office background and add details like clothing or accessories. Currently, Hailuo offers the Haulou 01 model for this feature. Once everything is set, click Submit and let Hailuo work its magic. After generating the video, you can reuse the same reference image with different prompts to create new scenes while keeping your character consistent. It also works seamlessly with the image-to-video mode, allowing you to build a coherent story with the same character across multiple shots. So that's a quick tour of Hailuo 02, a robust multifunctional AI video tool that blends creativity with ease of use. Whether you're a content creator, designer, or just experimenting with AI, Hailuo 02 is definitely worth trying out. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment your thoughts or questions below.